Serino Alfonso, and I'm going to explain the interface of Rhino. So introduction. As we open the program, we will find out this configuration. For now, we select the inches. Different parts of Rhino are basically the display area with 4 windows that we can convert into one, etc., etc. I'll explain that later. The main toolbar with functions such as save and pan, and printing, and rendering, etc., etc. The top one is very important, like to type the commands and the orders and the things that you want to do. You will just write down the different things that you want here and press enter, and it will do whatever you want it to do. The other way is docking in to the left, top, right, left, and bottom, the different toolbars that you're interested in using. When I'm saying docking, I mean like literally taking the toolbars and placing, as you can see, inside. If for some reason it disappears, you just right click in the gray area and it will give you all the options for the other tools. As you can see, Rhino is pretty complex in this sense. The ones that I'm recommending for using in the beginning is the ones called main 1 and 2. So we take it out and we dock it here in the left. We have also the layer properties and the property layer panel. We can get rid of them, and they're very important to take them out and in sometimes. So in order to do that is the cake equals layer, everybody knows that we press and it will show us the layers, or the circle with colors, it will press and it will show us the properties for the things that we're going to draw here. Okay, in order to draw, we're drawing here in different perspectives, different ways of seeing the same thing, top, front, right, and perspective. As I'm clicking left button in each of them highlights the text, as you can see. We can expand each of those into one by double clicking the text, as I did before, and going back, double clicking on the text again to show the 4 of them. The way of moving along, for example in perspective, is by, for example, shifting and right click, enable pan, and for example you can use pan as well from the button. There's always like 3-4 ways to do the same thing, so don't get nervous by seeing so much information at the beginning. You can also right click in the mouse to change the perspective, or we select with the left button in 2 ways. One is dash line from top right to top left, and we will be able to touch, for example, if we do a line and we want to select, we touch it and we select it, highlights the object. And if we do the opposite, top left to bottom right, we won't be able to touch it. We're going to have to grab it. Okay, it's similar to AutoCAD and many other programs. Okay, just to see that it's important to know the layers and the properties. We can select, we can configure all the layers in different ways by selecting a new layer, naming it, and since we have selected, we can right click and say change object layer. It will take it to that layer you have created, and you can always change the color of it, as you can see, or turn it off or lock it. So another thing is we can touch it and show the different properties of it, like which layer it is, how it displays, the line type, etc., etc. You can also press details and it will give you information of the thing, object, etc. you have selected before. In this case, for example, it's very important, the line length or the starting and